Today I'm going to be show how it is a traditional Maldivian soups. One soup and one curries. Just we have a nice tuna and onions and some garlics and ginger, and we have turmeric powders and some the fried onions and fried garlics. They have curry leaves and then pendant leaves, and Maldivians the chilies, and they have coconuts milk and coconut oils. So, and this is the water. This is a coconut the coconut water. We just read is cook coconut water. With onions, garlic, chopped garlic, and chopped ginger, and then some curry leaves, and pendant leaves, and some chili, just chili, and cook nicely until that getting the flavors. So for that you add little bit of turmeric powders. Yeah. So just leave it until the cooks, the boiling. This is Maldivian cabbage. Now it's getting boiling, nicely boiling, that all the flavors, that the pendant leaves, curry leaves, and all the flavors, it will be come out. Then we can add little bit of the coconut milk. Just boiling. Add little bit of pepper and some salt. then you can add this nice tuna, red color, nice tuna.
Very nice.
Yeah. So you can add tuna. So when you add the tuna, just add little bit of, this is fried garlic. Just add the fried garlic and some fried onions. Very simple. Now it's almost done. And then this is the bowls. Very simple. This is, we call it Kirugarudhiya. It's a Maldivian tuna, the soups with the coconuts. So now you can try.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.